Ford Rangers in style now. Can actually see behind me now. Got 3 little LED pods, that's all we need. That's all we kind of got the money for anyway, so